Okay, let's do step 3 here. Made the mold in the toaster oven. Now I gotta take it out of here. That side came off good. Grab a screwdriver there. So the next thing we do, pop this out of there. I gotta figure out where it comes apart. Just like that. See that? Funny circle, I don't know why. Take that off. Just want to slide that back like that. So the next thing we do is, there are times when you do need to use a blade. This would be one of them. So we know behind there is one of the arms of the saguaro. So we want it to be able to come out of there. This side's already open, so let's see. One other thing we got to do here. Cut this off. Just like that. Another thing we got to do is cut away that little bit of mold rubber there that's kind of blocking it. And we have a nice little mold here. Fits together great. And it's ready to inject. In fact, you know what? Let's do this. Let's take this over here. Just like that. Just that. This might need a little more adjusting, but we'll see. So we'll inject it with wax. So now we can't do anything. Can't do anything here until this hardens. It might take a minute or two. So I guess I'll take a picture of it. Well, wait a second here. Better idea. Hang on one second. This isn't the first mold I've made, so I will show you another from another mold. Okay, I guess that is about it. All right, well, let's see. Might be too early here, but we'll... So you can see it's in there. Pulling it kind of early, so it might pull off the arms, but I think actually we got it. And that's it. Now I'll inject a bunch and I'll cast them up. All right, thank you.